Hello everyone, so welcome back to the new video section of Windows shortcut key. So in this section we'll see that how to directly go to the C drive and D drive using run command. Okay, so in my previous video you have already seen that how to open run command. So you see here, this is the key we used, that is window and R. So the moment I press window and R, you see the run command prompt opens. Okay. So directly, if you want to go to the C drive directly, you simply write here either C colon or you simply press this backslash. If I want to show you here, this is your backslash. Okay. I mean, if you see here, this is known as backslash. So see, the moment I write or enter backslash and hit the enter key or OK button, you see C drive opens. Similarly, for opening D drive, you have to go to the run command and simply write D colon and press enter. You see, go to the D drive. So for C drive, you just have to write C colon or simply backslash and enter. And for D drive, you have to go to the run command and write D colon and enter. So enjoy this shortcut. Thank you.